Okay, boys and girls, for this assignment, you're going to use several things. The first thing is we're going to be making some numbers with the site we used yesterday. So, for example, let's go back here. So, we're going to be making numbers with the website we used yesterday on the Plickers wheel where we spin to find a number. So, for example, if I go back to the wheel and I spin it, okay, so the number I just spun was 41. So now what I need to do is make 41. So I'm going to go to my Northside portal and click on Braining Camp and look for place value right here. You're also going to need your 120 chart too. That will help you with this assignment. So here's your 120 chart. Everybody has that one. So for example, I just spun 41. So now I'm going to circle 41 with my dry erase marker, and I'm going to have to try to make 41 with my braining camp. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so if I go to my braining camp, here's my braining camp. Well, let's go back here so you can see. Okay, here's braining camp down here. It has the little fractions here, 1/8. Press here. It's opening up. I'm going to click on base 10 blocks. That's what I'm going to be using. Now, it shows you thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. In first grade, we just used hundreds, tens, and ones. So I'm going to get rid of the thousands. So down here, you're going to click where it says the 3. Click there. Now I have hundreds, tens, and ones. I'm going to pick up my marker. I'm going to choose blue. And I'm going to be writing the number 41. Now, it's a little messy because I'm using my mouse. You guys can use your finger for your iPad. So 41, I'm going to build 41. So all I have to do here, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 1. There's my 41. I can also build it a different way as well. I can go 10, 20, 30, and then I can go 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. This is 41. And then I can go back here. Let's pick red. If I circle this set of 10, we all remember this from our place value unit. This is the same thing as one place value long of 10, just like this. This is 10 and this is 10. So I have 10, 20, 30, 41. It still equals 41. So just play around with this. We're going to be building numbers and using our clicker tool for this. So let me go back here. I'll show you some examples. Here is 96. So I clicked on the clicker tool and I got the number 96. Now I build it. 10, 20, 30, 40, and you can see it's 96. This next one is 103. Yes, I used the clicker tool, the spinner tool, and I spun 103. So now I had to build it. Well, we remember this from the 100th school. This is 100, 1, 2, 3, 103. Then I also have 115, 100, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So have fun with this. Here's 87. Here's a different way to build 87. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Because I know 70, which is this, plus 10 plus 7 equals 87. So I just want you to have fun experimenting with different ways to build and make the numbers. So remember, you're going to use a clicker tool. It's called clickers. You spin. I already have numbers there for you to try to build. It takes kind of a while. 96. So if I want to spin it again, because I already showed you how to build 96. Try one more time. Goes kind of fast. 60. So after I build 62, I go to my 100 chart. I'm going to circle 62, and this kind of gives you a reference of how far you need to build. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2. So you can kind of get a mental idea in your head what 62 is going to look like. So if I go here, okay, let's see here. Let me move this. Okay, if I erase, wait a minute. It's not letting me. Okay, wait. Here, drawings. Drawings again. Well, I can also erase it. Now I have to clear it. Well, it's not letting me because of this thing right here. Let me just go to a new one on Brainicamp. Okay, so the number I picked was 62. So I'm going to put 6 and a 2. I'm going to go back to here. And I'm going to press 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. And then I can go back to my draw tool and put 60. And we're just practicing. This is not a graded assignment, but it's just for you to have fun and practice. 60 plus 2 equals 62. So have fun with this. And remember, you want to build at least 4 or 5 numbers just to get a good idea of having fun and learning place value. Okay, have fun with this building numbers today.